everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I did not post a video yesterday. I am still just burnt out on couponing. Plus, it doesn't help when the sales are so bad that it's not worth it. You guys, I know I need to show you guys deals, but I like to buy the things and show you. But the sales have just not been the greatest, and you know, it's good to take a break. I need to take a break. I like to spend time with my family with the cold weather coming. I just don't want to do anything. I just wanted to stay at home. Yesterday, Benjamin and I went and saw a movie at the movie theater. He was pretty good, so that was pretty good, and I thought I'll just stay home with them.
We found Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet.
Yep, we watched Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet. So we got that going on. But I'm here to show you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, I heard there was tons of clearance, so I'm like, oh, I'm going to go check it out. Plus, there is some really good high-value coupons for digital coupons. But the deals I wanted to do, I didn't do, but I have tons of register rewards to use up this week because of the deal that I did today. So I'll probably most likely do a second haul. I might do it on Wednesday because my son is in daycare on Wednesday, so I can do it while I am kid-free because I am now kid-free on Mondays. So you guys will see a lot more deals and stuff on Mondays because it's good to be kid-free. So the stuff that I got, I went to Walmart, Target, CVS, and Walgreens today. So I got my breakdowns, all of my sheets. So what I ended up doing is I wanted to get the Olay Old Spice deal, but it didn't work out in my favor. I was checking out if Pantene was on sale because there's a 10 off a 6 coupon. It wasn't on sale. Crest, I didn't have the coupons for, so I'm waiting for those. Energizer batteries was a decent deal. They come out to be like $2 a piece, but I'm like, I can get them cheaper somewhere else. But one thing I did get was the Covergirl makeup. So the Covergirl makeup is mascara is $6.29. Now there's a deal where if you buy 2, you get 5,000 points. So you guys want to do this for $6.29. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that are on coupons.com. You can also use one and then use a digital coupon. It's up to you guys what you want to do. But you guys would pay $6.58 for the both of these. But then you guys get 5,000 points for buying 2 of them. So that comes out to be $1.58. So that's pretty cheap. That's like, what, less than $1 a piece? That's like, I don't know. I can't think of the math, but definitely wanted to do those. And like when I get rid of my makeup, mascara goes very well to get rid of. Eyeshadow I have a hard time with, and eyebrow pencils I have a hard time with, but mascara goes pretty well. So wanted to show you that. Oh, I just scratched myself. Oh boy. The next deal I got is a Speed Stick deodorant. Now these were buy one get one 50% off. They're $3.19 at my store. There's $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would pay $3.78 for the both of these, but then you guys can get 3,000 points, making it just 78 cents for the both of these. So that's a pretty good deal. And my husband really likes the Irish Spring Speed Stick, so got that for the husband. The next deal that you guys should definitely do, and I'm going to do this deal again because this is great for Christmas presents or just something you guys want to give to somebody. Here you go. There's that. I did have problems with the coupon scanning at the store, but they did enter it, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But I got the Godiva candy. Now, I am not a big fan of dark chocolate. I like milk chocolate. Husband, he doesn't really care, but he prefers milk chocolate over dark chocolate. But so I ended up getting, and I'm probably gonna, I don't know if I should give these to him now or give these to him for Christmas. Benjamin, so I ended up getting the milk chocolate caramel lion of Belgium. So, yep, that's why I like to be kid-free. Just saying. So they are 2 for $7, but I grabbed 3 of them. So you guys want, they're so $3.50 a piece. You guys want to use $3.25 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago, like back in November. Plus, there is a $1 off coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. You just need to have them scan it once, and it'll take $1 off each product. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. And that's still a good deal even without, you know, the register reward we get. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But you guys would end up paying $3.75 for all three of these, which is still a pretty good deal for Godiva candy. So, you basically get 2 of them free. It's like buy one, get one, get 2 free. What's up?
I love you.
I love you too, baby. You got a key? Okay, just hold on. Let me do my video. So then what you guys will end up getting is a Catalina for $3.75. Now if you buy 2, you get a smaller Catalina, and I think if you buy 1, you get a smaller Catalina, but the max one you can get is $3.75. Now I was going to use this towards my purchase on other things, but I still wanted to share with you guys with this deal. And one thing I like about going today is these don't expire till Christmas Eve, so I got money to get some last minute gifts if I want. So definitely do this deal if you guys can do that. So that is a pretty great deal. So that was like my normal stuff, and then my store had a ton of clearance like all over the place. CVS, everything was completely gone, but Walgreens, there was still a lot of stuff left, and I'm like, okay, what's on clearance that would be on sale?
And the baby store is closed.
And the baby store's closed?
Yeah, because they don't have any in it.
Okay.
These are closed for
He's talking about Babies R Us. But anyway, so I went to Walgreens and I found just 2 razors. I wish they had more, and I did not have my coupons on me because I was not expecting this, which is still fine. This still turned out to be a great deal in my favor. So these were $5.99 on clearance. These were originally, I think, $12.99 a piece. I can't remember what they were. Can you please go upstairs? Remember I said I'll give you a Shopkin if you go upstairs. But you gotta go upstairs. So these were $5.99. I used 1 digital off coupon that I could just scan from the app. Otherwise, there are coupons out there, so it's up to you guys if you guys want to do that. I did multiple transactions, and I'm trying not to like ruin the system for everybody, so it's up to you guys. But with that $2 off coupon, you guys would pay $9.98. So just giving you guys a heads up. But then you guys will get a $10 register reward. So these end up becoming free, which is an awesome, awesome deal. Now, you guys can do this deal as many times as you want. Just do not use these to buy the same products, okay? So if you guys want to buy this and then buy something else, do not use this register reward for the same products. You guys can use this register reward, the Godiva register reward, towards this, and another one will print off of these. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I'm gonna, like I said, I got some other deals that I want to do with those. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. Now I ended up finding one of these Venus razor things. Now this was on clearance for $3.99 and they only had 1, so I'm like, I'm gonna get this, and then I ended up getting this, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what my transaction was, but the register reward worked out for that. So then I'm like, okay, I told the cashier, I'm like, I was just testing stuff. I'm like, I'm gonna go back and get some more, and she's like, go for it, you know. So I went back and I got 2 more of the Venus Comfort Glide Vanilla Cream. There are 4 cartridges in here. You guys, this is like $20-something a piece. Like, this is the reason why, I mean, I used to buy refills of this, and I'm like, why am I buying refills of this when I can get this razor for pretty much nothing? So, like, this is a good deal. I rarely ever get good deals on packs of razor refills. So these were $5.49 on clearance. There was no coupons for them. There might be coupons in the P&G. Like I said, I did not have my coupons on me. But $5.49 is still a good deal. You guys would pay $10.98 for the both of these, okay? $10.98, but then you guys will get that $10 register reward, making them just 98 cents. That's 50 something, what, 49 cents a piece. That is a great deal. I want to smell these because they say they're vanilla cream. Ugh, I just want to smell them. And what I've learned is a lot of these refills pretty much fit on any blade. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. So I'm like, I didn't clear them off the shelf. They still had a ton. So I did the deal again. The cashier's like, holy crap. I says, you know what? I haven't had a deal like that in forever. So like I said, I'm going to try to do a second haul for you guys and see what we can find. So out of the razors, I ended up getting, I did that deal 4 different times. I did 4 different razor deals. So I ended up getting $40, you guys. $40, and then I get the $3.75. Again, I partially paid with points. So I paid $5 literally for every transaction, and then I paid $5 in points. So, and I got $10 back. So, oh yeah, I haven't had this much money in a long time. So, wanted to share with you guys with that. But yes, that was my Walgreens haul. I was pretty excited because I'm like, this is gonna be a bad week, you guys. Like, I just really wanted it to be a good week, but I love it when they have some hidden surprises on me, so we got that. And I also checked out the men's stuff, but there wasn't much men's on clearance, so just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But my total came to $45.91. Now, please keep in mind, I get an employee discount. My husband works with the company, so I get the employee discount. A lot of you guys may or may not like that, but that's how I shop. That's the reason why I started really shopping at Walgreens, was because of that. Plus, I have a lot of Walgreens employees follow my deals, so they like that too. But again, I did pay with points every transaction, so just sharing with you guys on that. So $45.91, but I received $43.75 of register rewards. I got 8,000 points. That is for the 5,000 was for the Covergirl, and 3,000 was for the speed stick. So we got that. So my total came to $5.84. Moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I absolutely love, and I'm pretty excited. I haven't had a haul like that in forever. So just wanted to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys maybe again this week for another Walgreens haul. We'll see. See you guys later. Bye-bye.